Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Turbo USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in. Well, guys, you remember around the top after listing, especially on a Binance, it was the sell event because I already explained it. So if the token trade, especially the low cap token or some meme token traded before listing on the Binance long-term period, and when the Binance made an announcement about listing, it's not bullish one. I don't know how the people get that information bullish. I have no idea. So here we formed the monthly, I guess, yes, it was a monthly gap. First of all, I recommend to go and double check what is Turbo. It was just experimental meme token, and this token performed pretty good one. Congrats everybody who took a profit because here, everybody who complained the altcoins not pump it, guys. We just sometimes hop in just the wrong tokens. So the Turbo pumped 21,000% gains. So just in 2 years. So this is how it, in 1 year basically. This is how the good altcoin season looks like. This is how the meme coin season looks like. So congrats everybody who took a profit, not so greedy. You know, it doesn't mean the people who bought exactly at the top, at the bottom, fix exactly at the top. No, it doesn't work like this one. Mostly some of people buying here, fix it here. But anyway, better, I always repeat, better finish the ride with some profit than just stuck in tokens, or especially fundamental attached tokens, stock and wait some gains. So guys, we're here for the speculation, and even recent pump on Alpaca before the delisting on Binance, you know, it was a great example. 3,000% gain just in a few weeks, and the people ask it in the comment section, why the tokens, if they delist pump? Pretty simple, just speculation. We are here for the speculation. So the newbies see the green candles, so they start looking some influencer who show you, oh, Alpaca, it's a great DeFi, blah blah blah. Hope in, it's a future, it's beginning. You know, the altcoin season's at the starting point, and they hope in. They so greedy. So after that, the market makers, the centralized exchanges use that noobs like exit liquidity, took the profit, open short on other exchanges with leverages, and dump the price, double profit. So that's the point, guys. And after 21,000% gains, guys, it can't be the bullish news Binance listing. I marked the monthly gap. We come back and landed, you know, after the December 2024, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 months, almost half year, we landed almost to the full fill of monthly gap. So the full fill of monthly gap is 0.3046. We stop it at 0.2013. So technically, if something will happen, we can could drop 28%. If we will go down from these current prices, it can be like 91% down. So guys, think about it when you try to gamble with the tokens. With the tokens for speculation or for investment, take a look. That guys, if they still not fix full amount of money here, you know, they needed time to fix it. So what's the point to hop into token if this token already pumped at 21,000% gains, you know, and that guys who accumulated in 2023 still can be in profit 7,000% gains, almost 8,000% gains. We can't know because you have to understand the big guys can have the 100 or even 1,000 wallets with a small amount of money, and you can track the holders. You can track the the wallets, and you can see, oh, nobody can dump the price of this token because there's no big whales. But the whales or some team or some market makers can have the turbo on different wallets, right? And they can distribute it step by step. So it's money from the air. So logically, guys, take a look. I believe, yes, we can see one more leg up. Definitely, because if we'll see some altcoin season, BTC dominance under 50%, the turbo can pump once again. But you have to be ready to fix some profit again. And ask yourself, from these current prices to new all-time high, Is it okay for you to invest in risky assets and wait some, I don't know, even here to 2/10, right? 281%. So with potential dump 80%. So I don't think so. Now a lot of meme tokens underrated, so underrated. So take a look on. I don't want to recommend you anyone, but take a look the BOM, for example. So this token already pumped it here. This is how it looks like here since end of March, beginning of April, for example, around 300%. So definitely some of that, guys, also will fix the profit. So I want to show you with indicator set recently what's going on. Is it possible to form the, I don't know, the head and shoulder pattern, right? So this is like left shoulder head, and we can form the, I don't know, 0.208 right shoulder and dump on this low. Yes, of course, but I'm not a fan of this classic patterns, right? So I'm not a fan of this one. It was just technically the downtrend line, uptrend line, like resistance, extend lines, right? So this one, 1, 2, 3 on a line chart, good one. It's gonna be the 3 rest pattern. It's never bullish one, especially with the Binance listing news. So we cut all noise, so technically, yes, I already explained it. When we see something like this one, it's order flow. At least we can come back and close the 50% of this order flow. It's going to be this move, for example, and drop it down. And after that, depends of timing, or we're going to form the new high, or it's the end of cycle and we go into the new low. So this is just in theory what we can see. Around here, around 1 cent, everybody will start screaming, we go into the moon, we go into once again, the turbo, it's future, it's overplay the Pepe and all of this stuff, guys. But be careful, just be careful, because I'm not a fan of this meme coin stories, so better fix your profit step by step. If you invested here, it was not a mistake to take a risk, and even buying on the spot at equilibrium 0.5 level by FIB of monthly gap, what a market, I don't know, 4 months previously. So this one, after 100%, you could withdraw initial deposit. You could even buy at the spot position with limit order. Yes, in the moment, you could be in losses at 37%. After that, a safety trade, 100% pump, you withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. Now, zero risk. I skip the turbo because I'm not a fan of this type of tokens, which pump at 21,000% gains before, right? It's in the max. And wait some crazy gains. So now a lot of underrated meme coins still. For example, the WEN, the cat meme token. I still think that WEN still not pumped yet, like it's could pump. So if we choose between the, for example, turbo and WEN, I prefer to invest in WEN, for example, with the understanding of 99% potential scam. Yes, but I don't want to take a risk with the turbo. So that's it, guys. Take a look with my customer said what's going on now. Here was accumulation. I missed it because I didn't even track that turbo. Here was here 1, 2, and 3. It was a pure divergency, but now we can form the bigger divergency if we're gonna pump higher on the chart, but a smaller one than here, than on ADZ. Direction, no data for accumulation on a weekly. On the market motor here, market come down from A3 in December of 2024, came down. Now it's just a hope. So yes, we pump at 300%. This is not A3, another real. So we get room for continuation. Locally, of course, we can test again the full feel of daily gap and all of this stuff, but we need to see the BTC dominance under 50%, for example, to talk about the accumulation of memes. Take a look. It was a money outflow, RSI bearish divergency, money inflow. 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row. Let's say 0.203, 0.2028. It was the entry, in average for that, guys. and it can be like this one. So they soon, I think they will out at the 100% profit here at this weekly gap. So yes, we can go higher. One sideways pump again. So rejection we can see at locally at 0.2078. So yes, it's more than real to see the rejection at this point. Something like sideways pump and summer drop it down, for example, even to equilibrium again. And after that, hit the new high or new all-time high. So this is potential price movement for the summer. For summer, usually it's not so volatile time on the market. Trade on, sell, buy back. Pretty good one. Daily, buy, 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 buy. Here was the last signal to buy, take profit, sell, sell. And yes, we can form this, like a wedge, pump, and drop. So this is a way, guys. And take a look, the last indicator, guys, take profit. I highly recommend you, by the way, go and check in education. I posted the first video about a turbo and the last one. Here, we landed on the fundamental value. So, of course, here, it was so crazy. Even imagine how we can drop from 1 cent and 3, for example, and add 1.0. But we dump it like 800%. Yes, guys, you have to always count the percentage from the bottom to the some point, not like this one. So we dump not 87%, we dump 800%. So that's a case. And this misunderstanding on in crypto, when the influencers show you, oh, we just dump it 80%. It's not a big deal. We'll recover so fast. No, we dump 80% because we can't dump over than 100%. It's impossible. It's math. But in general, to out of the break even for the guys who hop in here, the price should pump 800%. And we tested and dump it on the fundamental value, bounce it. Now we trade way over exit line, daily time frame. The same story. So the buy line now on the daily it's 0.2019. 12 time frame. Here we can test 0.204. So usually we form something like, like this one, wedge, bounce, close the weekly gap, and dump it back. So this is potentially what we can see. And after that, buy line going to be here. And after the buy line, we go higher. So this is the case, guys. Buy line on 12 time frame, now it's 0.2017. But I repeat again, I have zero interest to buy the turbo, no matter how low or how high this token will pump or dump. So I skip this token. But all targets were more than okay accumulate this token I showed you. And yes, we got a chance. I think, yes, we got a chance to hit the new all-time high again when the BTC dominance will be under 50%. So waiting. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a turbo. If you would like to trade with my customer I will show in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.